Welcome. Hopefully your Thursday is going great. Today, as part of our newsletter, we're going to be talking about how to post to your blog. As we've talked about, posting to your blog is very important. You want to try, especially when you start, to post every day during the week or 3 times in the day and then 2 on the weekend or whatever. As an example, we're going to use one of our clients' blogs. As you can see, we have 285 posts. So the hardest part would be, of course, writing the post. What I like to do is try to write 10 really good content posts for the month, and then you can fill in the other days with like blurb posts like sports scores or so. Today, what I like to do with the content is do it at once, and then you don't have to worry about it for the month. Take a Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon or Sunday afternoon and just sit down, write the post. You want them to be about 750 to 1,000 words in length, and you want them to be something that you would think your visitors would want to read about or for you to talk to them about. Another thing you can do is create videos for them in which you explain. That can be just a post by itself. We've not really talked much about video, and we may, if you guys want us to talk about it, let us know and we'll show you some easy ways you can set things up. So we are in here in our WordPress admin section. One thing you want to do, if you have comments, you want to reply to them. So for this one, we would just hit reply, write something. Everything we talk about is going to be, you're going to be communicating with potential customers. Okay, so we want a new post. There's 5 or 6 ways you can do it. We'll just click add new. So here the top, the title is the most important part. The title is you want it to be intriguing yet keyword rich. So let's say I was doing something about math. I could do something like 9 algebra tricks to help you pass your next test, or something like that. Or 4 ways to make figuring out calculus problems quicker. For this case, we're just doing a product blurb. Okay, so we'll put what I like to do is put it in a notepad, then you just copy and paste, then write the blurb up here. Then we want to tweak this so everything's in line. You want to add a picture. One thing I've found, it would be best if you add your own picture. This plugin Zamanta is a good place to find ones if you don't have the a picture to add. From there, you would just click where you want it, click the picture, and there it goes. Okay, to delete the picture, just do that. Okay, so we have a picture. Here's our picture. To get the picture, like say if it's on a website or something, we would just right click and copy the image location. I'm using Firefox. go where we want the picture. We would click here, and it loads up. If it's from your computer, you just select where it's from. Ours is from a URL. Put the image URL, the image title, and then the caption we want on it. And then we want to link that image somewhere to our site. So in this case it's there. Insert it into the post. Now we also want to make a link from this post back to our site again, or a page on our site. Like if we were talking about math problems somewhere in there, we could say this month we're having a special on our tutor services. You can find out more information here, and we would link that back to a page on that described our services and the cost. So we want to link this text. Click that. Add this. Click insert. Okay, pretty simple. Looks good, so we'll want to publish it. Now the great thing about these posts is we can make them work for us in a number of different ways. So the first thing we want to do is we want to hover over the link, right click, and we want to copy that link location. Okay. Then we go to Facebook, log into Facebook. Facebook again is all about conversation. Okay. The more conversation you have, the more interest you'll have in you and your site. So we go up here. We want to use Facebook as our page that we set up. We click there. We Control V. That's the picture we want. So we'll post it. Now we have taken our blog post and used it somewhere else, and people, our Facebook fans, will see it, and then of course they'll visit or whatever. Also, Google Plus. If you Google Plus, when you're in Google Plus, this is like the starting page or whatever. We've talked to you in our guide about creating a Google Plus page. So we want to go to the page that we're wanting to think about. We click here. Then we would go up here to our stream. Click that. Control V. That's the right picture, and you would just click share. So now we've taken that blog post and used it a couple of different times. Pretty cool. Gets you traffic, gets traffic back to your site. Traffic equals calls to your whatever. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video and learned something, and we hope you have a wonderful day.